The Alps presents us with a very unique workplace. In times of hard weather, when roads are closed, Rhaetian Railway is sometimes the only lifeline we have in this area. In a large region, with only 1,400 employees, we would prefer that everyone is out in the field, not tied to a desk. For this to happen, we needed more than mobile devices. We needed a real mobility strategy. Citrix has changed practically every job at Rhaetian Railway. With Zen Mobile and Zen Desktop, everyone is enabled on any device, online and offline. Their applications and data are securely with them at all times. This means now, if a situation arises, emergency teams can react instantly from anywhere. Our response time can be in seconds, not hours. By nature, our conductors are responsible for the safety of the train. This means they had to carry hundreds of pages of safety and technical manuals at all times. Now this critical data is at their fingertips, even in highly remote locations. Citrix has more than improved our productivity. It has unleashed innovation. When people have a completely mobile workspace, they can work on their terms, not on technology's terms. Essentially, Citrix has freed us to focus on what matters most, taking people safely wherever they wish to go.